How to make money online in Nigeria. Anyone with the internet can make money online in Nigeria. There is an opportunity for everyone. Our platform has been helping people learn ways of making money online. Without long stories, let us quickly show you the best ways to make money online in Nigeria. 1. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is simply recommending the product or services of businesses for a commission. You need to find a niche and build an audience around it on social media, YouTube, a blog, or even on chat apps like WhatsApp or Telegram groups. For example, you can build an audience where you review and discuss the latest phones and laptops. If you can build that audience up to 10,000 people, you have something big. Remember, this audience is mostly following you because of your review and discussions on the latest phones or laptops. Now, all you have to do is register as an affiliate on a platform that sells these products. Every time you review and discuss a product, you include your affiliate link. Once your followers click to buy, you get a commission. Now let's do the math. Assuming the average price of a product that you recommend is 100,000 Nigerian Nairas and your commission is 10%. If 2,000 of your audience buy a product, the amount you will be getting is 20 million Naira just for one product. Remember that your audience is targeted, which means the chances of them buying are high. You can pick any niche you like. 2. Freelancing. If you have any skills at all, it could be writing, coding, SEO, proofreading, translating, or working as an online assistant. Whatever skill, you can join a freelancing platform. There you will find people who need your skill. Work for them from the comfort of your home and get paid. Examples of websites you can use are Upwork.com, Freelancer.com, Fiverr.com, TopTal.com, PeoplePerHour.com. 3. Blogging. You can start a blog and write on any topic you like. People consume more information on the internet than they do on newspapers or television. Then you can use ads, affiliate marketing, sponsorship, and many other mediums to make money from your blog. 4. Online surveys. If you have free time, you can spend it answering questions online to get paid. You may not make big money from this though, but you can make some extra money to take care of some needs. The best survey platform for Nigerians is Ysense. Swagbox is also good if you have a PayPal account that can receive money. 5. Create an online course. If you have expert knowledge in any field, you can create an online course. People willing to learn will pay to learn. You can use social media and Google Ads to advertise your course. Examples of platforms that you can use to create online courses are Udemy and Teachable. 6. Sell on Jumia or Konga. You can sell your goods online at Jumia or Konga. Register as a seller and display your product on their site to millions of people. Once you get orders, you can deliver them yourself or let them deliver them for you. 7. Create an online store. You can create your own online shop to sell your products. You do not even need to have the product that you are selling. You can display products from various suppliers. Once an order is made, the supplier sends the product to the buyer and you keep your commission. This is called dropshipping. A platform like Shopify makes it easy to create an online store. And you can target any country. 8. Become a skit maker. You can make a lot of money making skits. If you can be creative and build your audience, you may just become a multimillionaire. As a skit maker, you get paid by social media platforms, ads, sponsorship, endorsement deals, affiliate marketing, and so on. 9. Start a YouTube channel. More people now watch YouTube than they watch TV. Unlike TV, on YouTube, there are no TV stations and you do not need a license to broadcast. Anyone can create a YouTube channel. So you can create one and build your audience. Make money through ads, sponsorship, partnership programs, and other mediums. 10. Invest in cryptocurrency. A lot of people became millionaires from abject poverty because of crypto. Crypto has made so many people rich. And it is believed that it is here to stay. There is a need for cryptocurrency. As the world is now a global village, cryptocurrency breaks the barrier created by regular currency. The most reliable platform to invest in crypto in Nigeria is Binance. 11. Forex trading. Forex trading is all about speculating currency prices. If your speculations are right, you make profits. If you don't mind taking risks, then you can give it a try. The most reliable platform for Forex trading in Nigeria is Deriv. 12. Online bank agent. Most Nigerian commercial banks and digital banks give their users the opportunity to sign up customers and get paid. The best example is VBank. You get paid a monthly salary depending on how many people you bring and the money they save on the platform. Install the VBank app from Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Use the code 4PYE to sign up. Become a villager and start referring people. 13. Social media marketing. A lot of businesses are looking for ways to drive sales on social media. You can invest the time to learn how to market businesses on social media and then get paid by them. I hope you have learned a thing or two. The next step is to work on it. Do more research and get started. You can find links in the description. Don't forget to share and subscribe.